Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today DJI finally released the Osmo 360 camera. Now we know how it looks like after weeks of leaks. Yeah, if you have followed my channel, you know that I completely switched to DJI ecosystem. So currently I'm filming on the Osmo Pocket 3. I have all kind of mics in white, in black, the big mic in black. I have the Action 4, and I also have a DJI Mini 4 Pro drone. So how do I use them? I use them mainly for motovlogging, for traveling. I use them for my skiing channel, No Common Ski. So this is where I use the Action 4 on my helmet. I'm just doing ASMR type raw skiing videos. Then I use the Osmo Pocket 3 for dashcam videos on my dashcam noob channel, and I use the drone for B-rolls on my travels. So here is just a sneak peek. So you got the idea how I'm using the cameras at the moment. And I have also a 360 camera from Insta 360 and X2. Quite a dated model, but still works for me. I have it on the handlebar of the motorcycle, just in order to push the button and film all around without thinking about framing during riding and without distractions, so that I can do the framing with very fancy transitions later on. So here I would like to have a new camera, and I also wanted to use a 360 camera for my skiing channel, so the ASMR skiing. So basically, for example, for disabled persons, yeah, that they can enjoy and see the real skiing without any music, without anything. And I wanted to have it on the helmet here, and I didn't want to look like a Teletubby with the X5. So I really like the format of the Osmo 360, so it would really fit my needs. And also it has this same attachment as the Action 4, and it got the same batteries, in fact, as the Action 4 and Action 5. I think they have this 1950 batteries. So this is really cool because you only need to have one charger with you or one battery case, and then you can use it across the cameras. I also would like to use the 360 camera for my dashcam videos. So, for example, to have a 360-degree video of me driving around, also ASMR and also with music. But something is stopping me, you know. And what is this? And I think this is a deal breaker. I can completely ignore the image quality, all of the software and whatever after this. So this camera, this new camera that is just released today, it doesn't have any lens covers or actually lenses that you can replace yourself. So Insta360 introduced with the X4 the lens covers. So they're like screw on, or let's say snap on. Yeah, they had like 3 thingies and then they snap on the lens. So first they introduced the covers, and now with the X5 you can also exchange the lens completely yourself. So, and this is completely missing at the Osmo 360. And honestly, I don't know how DJI could do that. I don't know what they're thinking. So I myself, I made an experience that I already damaged many of these covers, lens covers. So they're like sticky covers on the X2 because there is no thread. And I damaged many of them, and if I would not have any covers, then I would damage my lens. And yes, they will replace it with DJI Care and whatever for a very small amount of money, but this doesn't help me if I'm on a road trip somewhere in middle of Oregon in the US, or somewhere in Kazakhstan or Mongolia, or even here in Switzerland, you know. I need to go to my post office, I need to send it in, I need to wait. I cannot just continue filming, and my whole content creation is basically disrupted. Yeah. So what do? Do I buy 2 cameras? I mean, it's just a matter of time when your lens will be damaged. So if you are on a motorbike, it can be a small stone. If you are on skiing, you can have a fall, yeah, and you can damage a camera when you're falling. Even for experienced skiers like me, it happens from time to time. So I really see no point in buying this camera now. So I'm honestly waiting for V2 or V3 of the Osmo 360. And I hope they step up the game on the software side as well, because honestly, the Insta360 software is only good if you're doing your cutting and everything and editing on the mobile phone, because the software on the Mac or on Windows is lacking all of the features that you have on the mobile version, which is astonishing. So it's like mobile first, TikTok first cameras, yeah. But my use case is a bit different. I would like to have longer videos, yeah. You can also not export from the Insta360 software the videos. You cannot stitch them. So you can have an edit mode, in the project mode, you can stitch the videos, but you cannot export them as a 360 video. So you need to do it somehow differently, yeah? So you can only export it as a flat video. So if you want to upload a video of motorcycling or of driving with a car, a dashcam video of several hours, and just raw ASMR video, you need to stitch all of these files and convert them and everything. You need to do it with command line tools, basically. So why this? Yeah. So why not integrate it in the software? And I hope that DJI will step up the game a bit here with the software. So they just released the software for the computers as well, yeah. So I hope they will target a bit the professional creators as well, and will not just copy the software of Insta360. So yeah, that's all for today. That's my thoughts. Let me know what you think about Osmo 360. For me, I'm really disappointed and I'm not convinced at all. I really love all of the DJI products, but this is, I think, the first letdown from DJI after years of really innovating the camera space. So I hope their V2 or V3 will incorporate the filters, or at least the covers. And yeah, final remark. You will think, okay, what's the issue with this that a stick-on? You can just stick on some covers, just like on your X2. I made the experience that they are not really fitting very well, and sometimes a little bit of moisture is coming in, and then the whole lens is fogged from inside, and then you need to stick on a new one. So it's really a hassle. I would really like to have the lens covers or lens replacement just like on the Insta 360 X5. But for the moment, that's all for today, and enjoy some raw, unedited footage from my Insta 360 X2. Cheerio, and see you later. Bye-bye.